How to cope with distance learning. Hello, Room 15. Here are some tips to be safe and happy during this time. I miss you so much and I hope this helps. Step 1. Make a daily schedule and have a routine. Getting a bed and going to bed at your usual time will help you set the routine. The better you sleep, the better you will feel. When you have a regular schedule, you can focus better and can stay healthier. Do your daily assignments following the independent study packet. Step 2. Stay together and come to Google Meet. Although we can't meet together in the classroom, I am so grateful that we have a virtual space to meet together. We can study together and share our concerns too. Please know that you are not alone. Step 3. Take breaks and exercise. Remember to exercise. You may exercise with Coach Jay with his PE videos. You may dance, walk your dog, or do yoga. Whatever you choose to do, it is very important that you are physically active too. Step 4. Wash your hands. Care for your hygiene. Along with keeping social distancing, it's very important to wash your hands and care for your hygiene to stay safe. Step 5. Develop your hobbies. What are some things you really enjoy doing? Drawing? Baking? Reading? Although we can't control everything surrounding us, we can still enjoy our hobbies. Step 6. Do house chores. Don't forget to help your parents. They are very busy taking care of you and your family every day. Believe me, simple chores like making beds, folding your clothes, or setting up the table would make them very proud of you. Step 7. Believe in yourself. Last but not least, believe in yourself. Do you remember our classroom poster? Let's read it together. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.